bright and early. A Chemtrailer coming at you. Trying to do a little cleanup there this morning while I get the kiddies off to school. And I look up, a little late into it, but I look up and this guy is hard at work, huh? Real hard. Spray death on people. I wonder how these guys sleep at night. You know? Knowing that they're doing this to this guy's every single day. You can just imagine how far back that goes in the sky. And I'm out here on the ledge of my pool. Trying to expose, as my boy Bill Cosby used to say, the filth, Florin filth. That they like to start so early in the morning. And you can see it's already starting to make that hazy spread apart. That's a bad one in this one. Bastards. Chemtrailer. Exposing early morning death. Watch out, bird. You're next.